Hello everyone. In lesson pollution of air and water, we have studied water pollution and one case study also we have studied in our previous video, that is Ganga Action Plan. Now today we are going to see what is potable water and how is water purified. So only this point we are going to discuss today in this video. You can open your textbook 247 page. What is potable water and how is water purified? So first we'll see the activity 18.7. You can see in the textbook. Let us construct a water filter with simple everyday materials. Take a plastic bottle and cut it into two halves at the center. Use the upper half and a funnel by putting it upside down in the lower half. Make layers in it with paper napkin or a fine cloth followed by cotton, sand and then gravel. Now pour dirty water to the filter and observe the filter water. Discuss the following questions among yourself and with your teacher. Why do we need to filter water before drinking? Where do you get your drinking water from? And what will happen if we drink polluted water? So these are the most important three questions why we do need to filter. Before that we have seen the activity how to filter. For filtration we can use paper napkin, cloth, cotton, sand and then gravel. So these things are used for filtration of water. Now why do we need to filter water before drinking? Because in water there are many unwanted substances present in that which may be harmful for the living beings. So it is important to filter the water before drinking. Where do you get your drinking water from? Yes, where do you get your drinking water? We only drink fresh water which is available in the lakes, ponds, etc. So only that water we can drink. What will happen if we drink polluted water? It may cause many diseases like cholera, malaria and all that. These diseases are harmful and it may suffer more for the human beings. So we cannot drink polluted water. Now Bhuju is very upset. He tells Paheli that he drank water which looked clear and was without any smell, but still he fell sick. So we can't identify water by looking at that water that whether it is pure or not, because the germs whatever present or the pollutants whatever present in the water are very minute. Only we need a microscope to see that pollutants in the water. So by looking through our naked eyes we cannot understand whether the water is pure or not. Paheli explains that water which looks clean may still have disease carrying microorganisms. They are microorganisms, the word used, because they are very micro in size, and dissolved impurities. Dissolved means they are totally dissolved in the water. So it is essential to purify water before drinking. For example, by boiling. Boiling is the best method for purifying water. If we boil every day whenever you need to drink water, if you boil and drink, it is very pure and also safe for us. Water which is suitable for drinking is called potable water. So definition of this is water which is suitable for drinking is called potable water. You have seen how various physical and chemical processes in the sewage treatment plants have helped to clean water before discharging it into water bodies. Similarly, municipal bodies treat the water before supplying it to the household. So आपल्या घरी जे नळाचं पाणी येतं that water is also first treated and then supplied to our houses. Let us see how water can be made safe for drinking. You have already seen how water is filtered. This is a physical method of removing impurities. A popular household filter is a candle type filter. Many households use boiling as a method for obtaining safe drinking water. Boiling kills the germs present in the water. सो फर्स्ट दे हॅव गिवन द फिल्टर. आपल्या घरामध्ये जो फिल्टर असतो त्याच्यामध्ये ते कॅन्डल्स, ते व्हाईट कलरचे 2 कॅन्डल्स असतात आणि त्याच्या थ्रू पाणी फिल्टर केलं जातं. दॅट इज वन टाईप ऑफ फिल्टर. सेकंड, वी कॅन boil the water to kill the germs. This is the another way of purifying the water in the houses. Then chlorination is the commonly used chemical method. It is the chemical method. It is a chemical which is put into that water for purifying it. It is done by adding chlorine tablets or bleaching powder to the water. कधी कधी आपल्या घरामध्ये पाणी येतं आणि त्या पाण्यामध्ये आपल्याला एक टिपिकल केमिकलचा वास येतो. दॅट इज नथिंग बट दॅट इज chlorinated water. We must be cautious. We should not use more chlorine tablets than specified. Only 1 or 2 tablets we can use, and it depends upon the capacity or amount of water you are using there. So these are the 3 ways in the house we can purify the water. Nowadays, we are having many other things like many purifying machines are there which we are using in the houses. This is the another method of purification. So this was about the potable water. You have to remember the definition, the different ways of purifying water. Also you have to remember the water treatment plant, which process, which steps are used for clarification or clarification of the water. So read the lesson once again. Whenever you watch the video, I always tell you to read the lesson. So for today we'll stop here. Only one point is remained. By that point we finish our lesson, and we'll finish it in the next video. For today we'll stop here. Thank you.